Good morning, student. Today our 11th standard biology topic is segmentation and notochord. In some animals, the body is externally and internally divided into a series of repeated units called segmented. Okay? If you see the animal, some segmenter are having. Okay, that is called segmentation. Okay, segment means the body divided into some segment. Okay, serial some organ metabolism. Okay, the simplest form of the segmentation is founded in annelids in each unit of the body very similar to next one. Okay, but the arthropod cockroach, the segmented may be look different and cast different function. Okay, in annelids they are having a segment, but it will be similar to next one. Okay, but in the arthropod, the cockroach, if you see the cockroach, the segmentation may be look different. Okay, and function also very different function. Okay, animal which for example the head position, the cockroach, the head position is moving the thorax region. Next region is thorax region, then another one region is tail region. Okay, the function is very different. Okay, then notochord is metabolism divided into rod-like structure formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development. In some animal, based on the presence or absence of notochord, animals are classified as chordate, cephalochordate, Urochordate fishes to mammalia and notochords, Properia to hemichordate. Classification of kingdom Animalia. First you have the classification kingdom Animalia. Animal kingdom is divided into subkingdom and parasova based on their organism. Okay. Then first you have the parasova. This includes the two types of subkingdom. First one is parasova and eumetasova. See what the first you have the parasova. This includes the multicellular plants and their cells are loosely aggregated and do not form tissue or organ. Then second one is eumetasova. This includes the multicellular animals with well different tissue which are organized as organ and organ system. Eumetasova include two taxonomies level called grades. Them include radial and bilateral. Then grade 3 is radiata. Among the eumetasova, a few animals have an organization of two layer of cell. Outer ectoderm and inner endoderm. Separately by a jelly-like structure, that name is called mesoglea. It will be ectoderm and endoderm separated by a jelly-like structure that is called mesoglea. They are radially symmetrical and are diploplastic. Example, cnidarian and stephanopore. Cnidarian means sea anemone, jellyfish. Then second one is bilateral. The eumetasova other than the radiata, so organ level of organism and are bilaterally symmetrical or diploplastic. The grade bilateral include two taxon level called division. Okay, bilateral means it will divide into two equal chords. That is means bilateral. The taxonomy is called division. Okay, division. Then division 1, prostomia. Okay, prosto means first, stomia means mouth. Prostomia include the eumetasova in which embryonic blastopore develop into mouth. This division include the three subdivisions, namely acoelomata, pseudocoelomata and zygocoelomata. Then division 2, derostomia. Eumetasova in which anus is formed from or near the blastopore and the mouth is formed away blastopore. It includes the subdivision enterocoelomata. They have a true coelom called enterocele formed from the archenteria. Today homework is segmentation and notochord, then classification of kingdom Animalia. Thank you, student.